Today I'm making this cute socks cat, which is my little sister told me. You need children's socks. Choose whatever you like, more colorful, more cute. A pair of scissors, needle and thread, and stuffing. Lay down one sock like this. Cut the torn end of socks in half. This will be the feet. Turn the sock inside out. Sew the open edge of cat feet shut. Turn that feet right side out. Stuff the feet. Use the other socks from the same pair. Remove the section of the torn end of the sock. Then cut the section in half. This will be the hand. Turn the sock inside out. Sew around and leave the top open so we can turn that hand right side out. Stop the hands. Sew the hands and feet together. This will be the body. Use the sock which was left. Cut the top of sock. This will be the head. Turn the sock inside out. Lay down like this. Sew a curve where I point out. Turn that head right side out. Stop the head and sew it up. Sew the head and body together. You can also add a tail if you like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So see you next time. Bye!